Landscape lighting not working properly can totally kill your backyard vibe, but fixing it is way easier than you think. So, first things first, check all your wiring to make sure nothing is loose or corroded, because that's a super common reason your lights won't turn on. Next, swap out any burnt out bulbs with the right wattage to keep everything bright without overloading the system. If some fixtures look cracked or rusty, just replace them. Old gear can mess with your whole setup. Also, make sure your transformers are working right, since they control the voltage going to your lights. Cleaning dirt and bugs off fixtures helps too, because grime can block the light or short things out. Don't forget to look at your timers or smart controls and reset them if needed. Sometimes they glitch and stop working properly. If you spot any underground wiring issues, be careful and maybe call a pro if it looks tricky. Lastly, testing your whole system regularly keeps surprises away and makes sure your yard stays lit up like you want. One of the biggest mistakes with landscape lighting problems is ignoring wiring damage. Old or chewed up wires cause shorts and flickering lights, so always inspect and replace faulty wiring. Another issue is using bulbs that don't match your fixture's requirements. Wrong bulbs burn out fast or blow fuses, so stick to what's recommended on the label. A third common problem is forgetting about the transformer. If it's too small for all your lights or overheating, your system won't work right, so upgrade to a bigger transformer if needed or move it to a cooler spot. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to landscape lighting or any home project. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you get connected with homeowners looking for reliable pros to handle their big jobs.